Welcome photographers, and congratulations. By booking your place on Walk Free of a Day in the life of a street photographer, you've taken another step towards becoming a more confident photographer. I'm genuinely glad you're here. It's not the camera, it never is. The thing that makes a great street photographer isn't the gear, it's learning to trust yourself, to raise the camera when something catches your eye. To stop worrying about whether it's good enough and just take the shot. That's the bit nobody teaches you, and that's exactly what we work on together. Whether you've been with us from Walk 1 or this is your first time joining, it doesn't matter, you belong here. So let me tell you what to expect. We'll meet outside Leeds Town Hall on the Headrow at 10 AM on Saturday. The group will be small, between 3 and 8 photographers. We'll start with a relaxed chat, a chance to settle in, get to know each other, and ease ourselves into the day. There's no pressure on these walks, no expectations, and absolutely no competition. As we head out into the city, I'll be right there alongside you the whole time, not teaching from a classroom, not standing at the front of a group, walking the streets exactly as I do when I'm out making photographs myself. I'll show you what I look for, how I decide when to shoot, and how to get out of your own way long enough to make images that surprise you, because on Walk Free, something starts to shift. You notice a person everyone else walks straight past, a shaft of light on a wet street, a fleeting expression, a small moment most people miss. And instead of looking around to check whether you should photograph it, you just do. That's what we're working towards, not photographing what you think you should. Photographing what stops you in your tracks, because if something caught your attention, there's usually a reason. You stop looking for permission, and you start trusting your eye. You'll leave noticing more, seeing more, and trusting yourself more. That's when photography starts to become your own. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to prove anything. Just be present. Watch, observe, and trust what your eye is telling you. Come as you are. That's genuinely enough. Bring whatever camera and lens you already have. Wear comfortable shoes. And bring an open mind. That's all you need. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all. I'll see you on the Headrow.